Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani na? Ngizokhuluma ngedocumentary ekhishwe i-Orlando Pirates. Abantu abaningi-ke bayibukile izolo documentary. We all saw the documentary about izinto ezenzeka behind the scenes kwi-Orlando Pirates dressing room. Yabo izinto ezenze i-Orlando Pirates-ke iwine i-Betway Premiership okuyindebe bekade babefuna ukuyiwina. Yabo. So there were lots of things esiyibonile kule documentary yayizolo. Yabo iqalile yasi-introduce kubadlali abasha esibasayine ngoJanuwari oDiyongi bafethu abathile abanjengoMsendamo, uMphotsha Abatsani yabo. We got to know a lot about those players, but-ke ithe sesiya phakathi nendawo i-documentary yayisishintsha-ke i-documentary sasesibona izinto ezenzakala ngempela behind the scenes ney'ngxabano esiyibonile. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngento nje bafethu abantu abaningi engibabonayo bekhuluma, abanye bayagxeka abanye baya-encourage. Mina ngokwami bafethu, yabo le nto yaTito Maswanganyi beno-coach u-Abdeslam Wadu, yabona leya nto leyana idinga umuntu mfethu idinga umuntu ozohlala phansi ozoyi-understand-a kahle ukuthi-ke kudingakalani egrawundini and mase kubuyelwa kuyiwe e-dressing room uma ulazi ibhola or uma seke wadlala vele ibhola vele imimoya isuka iphezulu. Yebo, uma umuntu umtshela into engayenzi egrawundini yena enze okwakhe vele umoya wakho uzoba phezulu. Yabo, abantu bangayithathi ngenye indlela kube ukuthi mhlambe-ke ucoach akamthandi uTito Maswanganyi. Ucoach uyamthanda uTito Maswanganyi. Yabo, ucoach uyamthanda uTito Maswanganyi, but-ke at some point as a coach you have to tell your player ukuthi-ke cha, angiyithandi-ke lento oyenze lapha, lento leyo wenze lapha kumele uyiyeke uma ufuna siqhubeke kahle as a team siwine iy'ndondo zangempela. As a team kunezinto okumele uzenze and kunezinto okumele ungazenzi. Yebo, because mase ukhomperishe kahle, khomperisha ubani na uTito Maswanganyi noMfokeng. Those players currently they are playing as number 10 kwi-Orlando Pirates. Uma ubheke unumber 10 kabani na, unumber 10 kaMfokeng. Umfokeng uyakwazi ukushaya ushukela, ashaya ushukela adlule aphase ibhola kuyiwe phambili kushawe igoli. Uyakwazi ukuyenza leyo nto uMfokeng. But if you look at uTito Maswanganyi, Tito Maswanganyi is a different number 10. Yabo, ukwenzela okunye noTito Maswanganyi akwenze lento eyenziwe uMfokeng. uTito Maswanganyi akanqeni ukujika aphenduke nebhola aphasele goalkeeper noma aphasele bani nawo, aphasele uSibisi noma uCM. Yabo, okuyinto angayithandi uAbdeslam Wadu. Into kade ekhala ngayo uAbdeslam Wadu yilela bhola leliya abalimosha against iMarumo Gallants. Yes, kwi-first half silida ngo-2-0 but ubengekho happy ngaloya 2-0 because samosha amathuba amaningi. I remember doing a video ngikhala kakhulu ngalela thuba esalimosha la Tito Maswanganyi. Yes, ayiwina leya game ngo-3-0 but lapho khona uTito Maswanganyi washaya khona bonke abantu. Yebo, walalisa kwasani phansi. I know wakhona uMbuthuma, mhlambe-ke uMbuthuma naye wayecabanga ukulikhahlela, mara as a player you see ukuthi that is your teammate. Mtshele u-teammate wakho liyekele ngizolikhahlela. uMbuthuma uzoliyekela ibhola ukuthi ufuna umphasele. Unomlomo unamehlo, uyabona uyakuyena umdlali. Suka ngizokhahlela mina. Yabo, as a player yena wenzani uTito? Uthatha ibhola udlula even kuyena kuMbuthuma mase yaliluza ibhola lapha. Laphana kwakuyi-open net, wayezokhahlela umjide eyedwa amtshele uMbuthuma asuke eceleni akhahlele kahle. Yabo, as ucoach ubona leya nto leya, ubone ukuthi iSundowns iyeza ngemuva kwakho, ngeke ungadinwa as ucoach because you can see ukuthi-ke there are some players abangekho serious, banikeza ithuba egrawundini bona abafuna ukulithatha serious lelo thuba. Yabo, so mina ngiyam-understand ucoach. Yabo, and ngiyithandile leya nto ungikhombise iside bengingalazi ngocoach Abdeslam Wadu. Yabo, leyo nto ikhombisile because usirepresentile as ama-fans. As ama-fans we always come here and address izinto ey'kanje. Abanye abantu bathi sibahash, abanye abantu bathi cha awuvane, you cannot do that, awumshide ubezama. Cha, you can see ukuthi nawe ucoach akekho happy. Yabo, lento le yenze ucoach iyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi ucoach ubedetermined ukuthi uzoyiwina i-Betway Premiership and ukukhombisile lokho, ubatshelile abadlali, ubakhombisile abadlali ukuthi kumele siyiwine i-Betway Premiership this season. Kumnyama kubovu, it's a must. We must win i-Betway Premiership bafethu. And leyo nto le isize kakhulu because there are some players engimele batshelwe ngempela lapha kule dressing room ukuthi bafethu yekela ukudlala akudlalwa la yabo esingazodlala la bafethu yabona next season Abdeslam Wadu yabona kule season esiphuma kuyona I was not happy ukuthi sasheshe zaphuma ku CAF Champions League but this time around this time around I'm a huge fan of Abdeslam Wadu because he really showed ukuthi he's a top coach yabona in the dressing room he really showed he's a top coach if ufuna maybe ufuna ukukhuluma you can tell that to my face tell me if I'm lying tell me if lento engiyisho iyabheda you cannot just do umsangane groundini mase ngizoyi-addressa leyo nto kube ngazi ukuthi mina ngidlala ngawe yabo as ubaba kumele ingane zakho uyithande ngenhliziyo yakho yonke but mase iphuma eceleni kumele yabo uyiqondise zazi ukuthi ubaba and muthi kanje kumele ihambe ngomthetho wakho because uma ungayitsheli zizoshona eceleni mayishona eceleni ilapho khona izobheda khona yabo you have to understand ukuthi baswanganya into sanganya umdlali vele oyaye yabo athanda ukwenza ushukela kakhulu but lo shukela loyo kumele phela usize team sazi ukuthi okay uzowushaya ushukela wakho siyawina kodwa ingabe mhlambe ibhodi lithinda pha yabo sidinga into ezikanjalo lapha ukwazile ukuthi ayistophe lento lesa siyibona la season sasinokwenza izinto ezingayenzi sense sigibele phezulu kwebhola sokuthi score nil iscore nil kodwa sigibele phezulu kwebhola siyenzani phezulu kwebhola iscore ku nil siyawina kodwa yabo ngiyithandile leyo nto kunezinto kumele siyiminimize kunezinto kumele sizenze kunezinto angamele sizenze Abdeslam Wadu hayi hayi but yeah you can tell me in the comments when uzizwa kanjani regarding i-documentary yabo basazoqhubeka sazophuma amanye ama-episode I think kusele 2 or 3 episodes left yabo khona ezophuma namhlanje nakusasa khona futhi enye ezodlala we are ready to see izinto ebezenzeka behind the scenes maybe mhlambe sobona nezinto zasephuma